Mckenzi, my fiance, girlfriend first, and today my wife. We have come so far from the two kids who were flirting in high school Spanish class, playing Uno, and sharing our love of cars. I would never have known that the woman I wanted to surprise with a ride in my uncle's Javelin for prom in 2015 would end up being the love of my life. When I picked up the Javelin to surprise you that day, before driving off with it, my cousin Dimitri leaned into the car, looked me in the eye, and he said, "Go have fun with your date. This night will be one that you will always look back on. I know it." Little did he know, I gained the love of my life that night. Together we have become adults, traveled to so many places, and learned so many new things. The last 8 years we spent together have been the happiest of my life. I have been given so many gifts in this life, but none greater than you. You are my soulmate, my best friend, and my world.
So how do you like these shoes, Mckenzi? Aren't they adorable?
I don't know. They're not really the style I thought they
What are you talking about?
Really, like, maybe I should try them on. Should I try them on?
I don't know. How about I give you $20?
You know,
That's sweeten the deal for you? I mean, I spent forever looking for them for you.
did you?
I actually, truth be told, I handcrafted them.
Oh, you made them.
I did.
I don't know, Punch. They look a little big. A little big.
That's such a hard bargain. Would $50 sweeten the deal for you? I feel like I'm being taken advantage of at this point.
All of a sudden, I like them. I think they'll be great. Thank you, Punch. Filio. For as long as humans have walked this earth, we have tried to define what love is. We've tried to capture it and sum it up, to explain how it feels to love and to be loved. Poets, artists, writers, musicians, and even people writing their wedding vows have all tried in their own ways and mediums to describe and encapsulate what love is and what feels like. I think this is such a difficult task because not all love is the same. It's really complex. There are so many different types of love. If I had to use the limited words I have to describe our love, I'd use only one word: effortless. Even in hard times, loving you has never been the hard part. It's always been me and you against whatever we're facing, never each other. So while I would say I would describe our love like that, I also take the stance it's impossible to fully define or explain love. I figure I could say anything right now about how I always feel about you. But that is impossible. What I'll do instead of using words is use my actions, every day from here on out. I vow to always be there for a hug after a hard day. I vow to always help you when you have a lot on your plate. Promise to share and split household responsibilities with you. I promise to always travel and explore new and amazing places with you. I had to turn the page on. I promise to laugh and joke with you. I promise to help you run your unreasonably long direct connect Ethernet cable to your computer every time we move. I promise to always get ice cream with you. But most importantly, I promise and vow to always love you. No matter how that love may change and grow from here, I vow to be the best wife I can every day for you. I love you. Don't you dare! That was an instant cry. Don't do that.
This is a promise. I view our marriage like a home. A marriage house that is just for the two of us. A place that is somewhere only we know and reside. Much like the beautiful home we will live in one day, Our marriage house will be filled with joy, laughter, and love. This marriage house will be the place for us to celebrate life's high points and shelter us from life's inevitable lows. Through it all, one thing is clear to me. This marriage house is one that we built together, and its foundation is strong. Like a guard, I promise to protect our marriage house and not let anyone enter it. Like a roof, I promise to shield it from any storm. And like a package at the front door, I promise to always show up for it and be prepared for it. Like its beams, I promise to provide everlasting support and give it strength. Like a caring mother, I promise to nurture it and provide what it needs to thrive. Like a strong father, I promise to provide leadership and direction to guide it. These promises I make about our marriage house also apply directly to you, Mckenzi. So no matter what bitter taste the world leaves in our mouths, whether it be hardships, stress, or distance, I promise to always come home to our marriage house, to your tender, sweet loving. You are my one and only woman. Mckenzi, I love you, and I will forever.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. and Mrs. Kaplanis.
Today, two families became one. And I can't think of a better family than the Kaplanises. Phil, you know, the deal is we've had 8 years, right? I want to thank you for taking care of Mckenzi for all these years already. You have many, many more to go, as you know. But I can't think of a better person to marry my daughter.
Have Twizzlers, Smarties, and popcorn to celebrate the good and soften the bad. I'm so happy for the both of you that you found your happily ever afters. You both deserve the world, and thank you for letting me experience your love story. Today is the beginning of an amazing marriage, and I can't wait to see what else is yet to come. Please raise a glass to celebrate this wonderful couple and what is to come.
Be the best, I'm gonna reach your infinity.
So I think I speak for the whole family when I say I couldn't have asked for a better woman to marry Philio and become part of our family. May the Lord bless you with a wonderful and happy marriage, overflowing with love and joy. To Philio and Mckenzi.
To stand next to you today is such an honor, and so is being your sister. You have always been my second half, and I'm so extremely blessed that you found yours in Phil. Thank you so much for loving Mckenzi and being the absolute best person for her. I love you both for eternity. Thank you.